Remember that old saying, practice makes perfect? Well, forget it. It's a myth, a lie. It's a story invented to limit your potential. Hi folks, my name is Johanna Basford. I'm an illustrator who makes colouring books and drawing books. And I'm here today to tell you a big fat truth. Perfect doesn't exist. The perfect life, the perfect drawing, the perfect body. Perfection is an undefinable goal, a destination we can never pin down. So how on earth are we meant to get there? You know what does exist? Progress. Progress is definable. You can see it. Practice leads to progress, not to perfection. When you embrace this mindset, you release yourself from the utter torment of chasing perfection. We call this art malarkey a creative practice because every day we practice a little and get a little better. So stop beating yourself up. Maybe your first few drawings are a little wobbly. Maybe you do find drawing hands tricky. But that's okay. We're making progress here. My daughter Evie just started school this year and is learning to write.
Simple dimple, simple kinkle.
Each week she gets a few new letters and she practices writing them in her school book. To begin with, those letters are all over the place. They are wobbly and crooked and some are backwards, but she practices and they get better. Yes, it's hard at the start. No, we don't get instant success, but we practice. Now imagine Evie just gave up because the first 20 letter T's she wrote were wobbly. She's not going to give up, and neither are you. Pick up a pencil and start practicing today. Just start. Draw a leaf, a love heart, a stick man. Just draw. Draw a little every day and soon you'll notice muscle memory kicks in. You feel more confident and the pencil and the marks you're making become more instinctive. Practice leads to progress. In my drawing book, this one down here, How to Draw Inky Wonderlands, I walk you through lots of super easy but really pretty step-by-step tutorials because, let's face it, pretty things are nice. I break things down so you can easily tackle each step and see progression fast. I basically teach drawing the way Evie is learning to write those letters, a method. Draw this, then that, add this, then practice. It really is that easy, so why not give it a go? Till next time folks, keep your pencils sharp, your erasers clean, and let's fill this world with happy artists.